Hello? Testing, testing. One, two, three. I think we should be live for today's severe weather coverage. I'm gonna get I'm gonna get right into it because we have a tornado emergency right now. And we also do have a 15% chance, significant chance of tornadoes today. But I'm way more concerned about that tornado emergency going on right now. So let's take a look. Take a look real quick. We have a tornado emergency right now for Penny City right now in south of Table Rock. So take shelter immediately if you live anywhere in these areas, guys. This is not a drill today. As you can see, the bar is purple because we have a
Tornado
tornado
warning for
emergency.
western Richardson County in southeastern Nebraska.
All right, they extended it. So now it's no longer probably a tornado emergency. It's just a confirmed tornado, but this is not good, guys. I see a confirmed tornado right now on the ground. I'm still winning. So look, tornado emergency, guys. This is a particularly dangerous situation. Take shelter, man. Hazard, deadly, keyword. Deadly tornado on the ground right now. It is so rare, Graham. It is so rare it's rare for the National Weather Service to use the term deadly tornado on the ground, but that's the case. So we also do have an area of rotation of Greenlift and Waterville, since this storm is also rotating. Even the storm in Manchester is rotating. So a lot of these storms are rotating, guys. A lot of these storms are rotating. But as you can see, going back on that tornado emergency storm, we do have, you see your reds moving towards the greens moving away. Right here is your tornadic rotation. So we do have tornado on the gun, but they might have canceled this tornado emergency, honestly, because they just issued an extension to a regular confirmed tornado warning. But this is still a confirmed tornado on the ground. Let's see. This was it was emergency management confirm a big tornado. 'Cause we never really got this thing on CC, so if we didn't have people on the ground, it would be harder to see, like, if this thing's really producing. But also have a little bit of rotation. We also have two tornado warnings up here and a destructive severe thunderstorm warning. So sorry I'm late to this event. I was busy. That is why I was a little late to this event. But there is a tornado emergency has been allowed to expire. It is now a PDS, a particularly dangerous situation.
Tornado warning
We have
for
an extension
northeastern
though.
Atchison County in northwestern Missouri.
New tornado warning in northwestern Missouri. I see a good amount of rotation. I'm gonna get a closer radar sight to see if I can see this better, honestly. Oh yeah. Yeah, this thing's rotating. That's why they just issued an extension. We still do have that PDS, that particularly dangerous situation tornado warning in effect. At least it's no longer a tornado emergency, but clear rotation here. You see your reds moving towards your blues, and your blues going away. Right here is your tornadic rotation, guys. So take shelter immediately. Yep, Grandma, this is in Missouri. Actually, no, majority of this event, yeah, this event is in Iowa, majority Kansas, and part of Missouri, and parts of Oklahoma too. So this is a widespread event. I forgot to say, we also do have a particularly dangerous situation tornado watch in effect, which is really rare. Is have set 80/80 props. So we have 80% chance of two or more tornadoes and 80% chance of one or more strong tornado, which is EF2 or greater. So pretty big day today. You see, still a tight rotation couplet here. No CC, but this thing could potentially, honestly, still be on the ground right now. So take shelter, live in Humsbrook, take shelter, live in Dawson, and take shelter, live in Vander. Take shelter if you live anywhere in those areas. This storm is heading for Breda and Corning. So if you live anywhere in these areas, eventually you guys are going to have to watch out for this thing. Guys are going to have to watch out for this thing because this thing is a very strong tornado. Let's take a look at these storms here. All right, rotation kind of died out a little towards Manchester, so that is good news. Oh no, but rotation's kind of starting a recycle here near Blue Rapids. So I wouldn't be surprised if thing's starting from inflow notch too. So I wouldn't be surprised if this thing wants to produce. This is heading near Holmes and we're heading straight for Winfred. So we hope this thing doesn't produce a tornado because, oh no. That's a problem. Rotation's really starting to strengthen here. The last scan, look guys, last scan showing this thing really starting to recycle and an inflow notch starting to form. So I am pretty confident this thing might start to become really tornadic now. But I'm going to take a look at some of these severe thunderstorms near Hillbron just to say if these storms are interesting. Just to say if these storms are interesting. Very concerning though, guys. Let's see, look at these hail. These storms got a good amount of hail on these storms. Pretty interesting, guys. Still do got that PDS, that particularly dangerous situation with a wow, that is a good amount of rotation, guys. Yeah, this thing's still most likely on the ground, unfortunately. Yeah, that is a problem, guys. That is a problem. As you can see, we do got still a particularly dangerous situation, tornado warning right now. So that is concerning. Hey, David! David! How have you been, David? Got that particularly dangerous situation tornado warning still in effect. So your grades moving towards your red moving away. Right here is your tornadic rotation. I wouldn't be surprised if I'm seeing a little bit of a CC drop. So yeah, this thing's still on the ground. Hey, yeah, dumbest Tory I see in a while. Rough, bro. Honestly, yeah, Blaze, I was having trouble. Look, back when it was tornado emergency, I was having trouble finding the correlation coefficient. Yeah, this thing never really had a CC jump, and it looks like it kind of died out right now. Rotation's really not much, so they're probably gonna downgrade this to a regular tornado warning. I'm honestly getting more concerned about this storm near Blue Rapids. As you see, your green's moving towards your red's moving away. Right here's your tight rotation really starting to form. Look at Enrot. And look, just looking at that rotation, yeah, this thing's gonna. Don't even know if it touched down, by the way. Yeah, for real? That's crazy. But as you can see, though, look at this. The rotation looks like contamination to me. Yeah, most like. Oh wait, contamination on this storm near Blue Rapids or on the PDS tornado warning? Which one? 'Cause I feel like this is really start. This isn't contamination. This is really starting to get its act together near Blue Rapids and Waterville. So if this storm is really starting to get its asking a little bit of a hook. Maybe try for look at the inflow notch on this thing earlier. So look these echo tops reach over 55,000 feet in the air, which is wild, guys. So maybe I'm the most concerned for this storm right now if this isn't contamination. It might be though. I'm not seeing much on the tornado warning near Industry. I can't pronounce no near Manchester. Honestly, I'm not as concerned for this storm near Long Front because not much rotation on it. It's not very tight, so that's the good news. Let's take a look at some of these severe thunderstorm warnings, and I'm really concerned mainly for the storm that's apparently on the ground. Not 100% sure, but just looking at it, and oh yeah, yep, there it is. I called this earlier, guys. CC drop. We have a confirmed tornado on the ground right now. I'm confirming it right now. Just looking at radar. Spectrum width confirmed turbulence. Velocities is pretty strong. And CC drop correlation coefficient just have a debris ball. So a slight debris ball. So this thing's likely on the ground right now. So this is heading pretty much straight for Blue Rapids too. So take shelter immediately if you live in anywhere in these areas. Because I mean, this is heading very close to Blue Rapids right now. And we still got the PDS tornado warning, particularly dangerous situation, still in effect up here. But I am watching out for this because I do see a CC drop, so this thing could potentially be on the ground right now. Just waiting for the National Weather Service to confirm that. That's what I'm doing now. Just waiting for them to confirm it. As you see near Industry, not much going on, honestly, right now with rotation, but that is still warned. So take shelter, take your proper precautions. Just waiting on the new scan here to see if this CC drop still verifies on correlation coefficient. Still waiting. Still waiting. If you guys have any questions, let me know in the chat. Because look at that, guys. See, based on correlation coefficient, this is how it works. The darker you get, the likely means a tornado or a debris ball is on the ground. But we're thinking this is dark, but you have to also verify. All right. Oh, that's good news. So this thing might have been on the ground for a brief moment. Now I do not see a CC drop anymore, but still very concerning. So you got an inflow notch starting to develop and a hook starting to develop. So even though this thing's likely not on the ground, still do gotta watch out. And there's a new tornado warning. Listen
Tornado
in.
warning for southeastern Fremont County in southwestern Iowa, southern Page County in southwestern Iowa.
Iowa. Well, there's a new tornado warning for parts of Iowa, guys. So that is very interesting up here. It's an extension, though, for the Westboro storm. Damn, again? Listen in.
Tornado warning for southeastern Washington County in north-central Kansas, central
Alright,
Marshall
there
County
it
in
is.
northeastern Kansas.
There it is, guys. The storm I was talking about. National Weather Service has just issued a new confirmed tornado. So we do have a tornado on the ground now, heading for Blue Rapids. I said this earlier, guys. I think I saw a CC drop right here earlier. So I said this thing was on the ground, and now the National Weather Service has just confirmed that this thing's on the ground near Blue Rapids right now. Strong rotation. So your greens moving towards your reds, your pinks moving away. Right, here's your tornadic rotation. I hate to say it. This is heading pretty close to Blue Rapids right now. So we really don't want this thing intensifying even more to head towards Blue Rapids. So we do have a hook echo too. Weather spotters do confirm that tornado, and I did see it on radar too. Let's see the population of Blue Rapids, Kansas right now. Oh, and almost 1,000 people, guys. So almost 1,000 people live in Blue Rapids, Kansas right now. So that is not what you want to see. I could be saying I see two supercells. So what if we try that this thing could start to rotate too, but this is heading pretty much straight towards Blue Rapids right now. I'm just waiting on some new radar data to see if this thing's gonna. We do have a particularly dangerous situation. I think a lot of contamination, Verdon, honestly. This PBS tornado warning is honestly in a radar hole, guys. So it is gonna be a little hard to like see good data there. But I mean, near Blue Rapids, you got rotation here, and it is a confirmed tornado on the ground. I wouldn't be surprised if we could potentially see maybe two areas of rotation here. The storm's even producing 1 inch size hail, guys. But the National Weather Service did confirm that tornado warning near Marysville right now. It's moving northeast at 40 miles an hour, heading close to the Blue Rapids area. We hope this thing weakens. I mean, I do see it weakening a little bit. But you never know with these storms. They could just easily, just randomly, rapidly intensify into a significant tornado. And I do see maybe a little bit of rotation trying to form near green. The rotation near Manchester pretty much died out, which is the great news. So that is the good news. I'm really watching these two tornadoes that are apparently on the ground right now. It's heading pretty close to Winfred too. Blue Rapids, though, get in your safe space right now. You live in Blue Rapids. This is heading really close to you, or may even directly hit you. I'm not trying to scare you, but I mean, get in your safe space. Live in Waterville, Blue Rapids, Marysville. If you live if you live anywhere in this tornado warning, this confirmed tornado warning, seek shelter immediately, because this is not a drill. When the National Weather Service issues these type of warnings, they're real. You do not want to go inside. Not go inside. Wow, my bad. Wow, I'm losing my mind there. You do not want to go outside and take pictures of the storm, because that is going to cause you to put your life at risk for unnecessary stuff, unnecessary photos. Just leave that to the storm chasers and the professionals. But as you can see, A little bit of an influence not showing before. I'm worried if there's some, honestly, two areas of rotation. The main rotation's right here. So, all right, that's interesting. Oh no, it looks like it's maturing right now. This is not good. And I do see rotation is strengthening
Tornado
too.
warning
So
for
I hope this is not a
northwestern Riley
CC
County in
drop.
northeastern Kansas,
Oh,
southeastern
I
Washington
was right
County in
about
north
this
central
too.
Kansas, northeastern Clay County in north central Kansas.
New tornado warning down near Northern Green. I said this area was starting to rotate. But there it is, tornado confirmed tornado up here near Blue Rapids. This thing's really starting to have a hook echo, man.
Tornado warning for northeastern Richardson County in southeastern Nebraska.
Another PDS, man, for Fall City. I can't really see that much though, because man, there's so much contamination on the radar here. But I'm more concerned about Blue Rapids because it looks like it's almost a direct hit right now. Going to potentially be a direct hit. And I wouldn't be surprised if this is a CC drop forming from the debris because this thing is a confirmed tornado on the ground right now. I'm also watching out near green for some rotation. Like the National Weather Service did issue a tornado warning for that too. And I wouldn't be surprised if there's some rotation here. It's not very strong though. Man, this is concerning. Clear inflow notch too, and strong rotation right now near Blue Rapids. So this thing is starting to recycle right now, and is likely on the ground right now, producing a tornado right now. Which this is not what we want in a city with 1,000 people, with almost 1,000 people. I remember when I was covering the Mayfield tornado, which almost that was 10,000 people. Dude, that tornado was bad. But a little bit of a CC drop I'm seeing, and it correlates with the rotation and spectrum width. So this is a confirmed tornado right now, heading straight for Blue Rapids. We hope this thing goes north or just south of them because we don't want a city with almost 1,000 people getting hit by a tornado, man. That is not good. But north of green, we also do have some rotation. But I am the most concerned right now. Alright, why is some rotation up here in a storm just north of the tornado warning? Just, I'm anxiously waiting on a new radar scan. Gotta wait on velocities.
Tornado warning for
New
northwestern
tornado.
Nottoway County in northwestern Missouri.
Ooh, right here. Damn.
Tornado warning for northwestern Geary County in east central Kansas, southwestern Riley County in northeastern Kansas, southeastern Clay County in north central Kansas.
Alright, guys, new tornado warning right now. I think this tornado, I think, is still on the ground right now. Oh, wow, there's a lot of rotation right now, and a clear inflow notch developing right now, and it's heading pretty much straight for Blue Rapids, man. This is not good right now. It's weird. GR Earth. Oh yeah. All right, so this tornado, according to the National Weather Service, is not on the ground right now. So that is the great news. But I am watching. Look at all the cape, guys. It's like over 5,000 joules of cape right now. And the significant tornado parameter is very high in these areas. A lot of cape in Jersey, too. I am very concerned though, because this thing could re-intensify any minute and heading straight for Blue City. But as of now, the storm is no longer on the ground, so that is the great news. But I just want to say, let's see the PDS tornado warning. I'm gonna, 'cause this thing's according to National Weather Service and according to spotters on the ground right now. And yep, I do see a strong rotation here.
Tornado warning for southeastern Atchison County in northwestern Missouri, northwestern Holt County in northwestern Missouri.
This storm is likely not a PDS tornado warning anymore near Craig, but I mean, this is heading pretty much almost straight for Craig, so that is a big problem. This is intense, guys. As you can see near Blue Rapids, I have still a strong rotation here. Pretty much heading very close to the city right now. Oh my. Look at that hook, though. Look at that inflow notch. Ah, it's back on the ground. Confirmed tornado right now, heading straight for Blue Rapids right now. Take shelter immediately if you live in Blue Rapids right now. Because this is a confirmed tornado on the grounds right now. Heading straight for Blue Rapids. A clear hook echo and an inflow notch too. Oh, that is not good, guys. I'm very concerned because near Blue Rapids is about to get hit by a strong tornado right now. It is a confirmed tornado now, according to the National Weather Service. So, all we gotta do is pray next. This is a city. I said this again. This is a city of 1,000 people, guys. City of 1,000 people is potentially about a almost. I don't know if it's gonna be a direct hit. It's looking like on radar this is gonna be a direct hit, man. Velocities do look maybe a little weak, and I don't see a CC drop. But according to the National Weather Service, this is on the ground right now. Clear inflow notch right now near Blue Rapids. I'm gonna double check. Yeah, I think this thing's heading pretty much straight. Yeah. Oh my. This is heading straight for the town. This is not what you like to see, guys. This is not what you like to see. Man, this is not what you want to see. We need to pray that this thing weakens, and it looks like, I don't know, it seems like there's a good amount of contamination, so I don't know if this thing's still on the ground, but if this is still, according to National Weather Service, this is still a confirmed tornado, and it's heading straight for Blue Rapids right now. All we gotta do is pray right now, because this is not good. Next radar scan, this thing's gonna be in Blue Rapids, and I do see rotation here. So this thing's probably still
Tornado
on the
warning for
ground.
Pawnee County in southeastern Nebraska, southeastern Gage County in southeastern Nebraska.
Oh no. New tornado warning right here near Liberty. And I said this earlier, this thing was starting to rotate up here. And now we do have a tornado warning right now. Oh no. Yeah, this thing has a rotation. This is a confirmed tornado right now with a crazy hook echo and an inflow notch, right? Starting to be an inflow notch right now. Next radar scan, this is going to be right through Blue Rapids, man. This is Blue Rapids is likely getting hit by a potential or direct hit from a tornado right now. So that is not good, man. Still confirmed according to the National Weather Service, heading straight for Blue Rapids. I I was warning you guys in Blue Rapids for a long time now that this storm was heading very close to your area. Likely another 20 seconds till the next radar scan. Yep, there's a confirmed tornado right here. Multiple storms confirmed tornado on the ground via social media. Yep, this thing does have rotation still. This is a likely confirmed tornado on the ground. Likely already hit Blue Rapids right now. Just waiting for the radar scan to confirm it. Oh yeah, this was a direct hit. Oh no. Yeah, this was a direct hit. Blue Rapids just got hit by a tornado right now. That is not what you want to see, guys. Yeah, just got hit by a tornado. Let's see. Let's see. This is right over the town, right there. Well, next scan, we're gonna see if this thing has a CC drop, if it went through any houses. So next radar is gonna be very important because if we don't have a CC drop, this thing might have lifted, but on rotation, it looks like it's there. And yeah, tornado warning just updated, and it's still tornado warning just updated, and it's still a confirmed tornado. So Blue Rapids just got hit by a tornado right now. So we got a PDS here near Liberty. Take a look at that real quick. I'm as concerned for that. Dude, I am concerned for that storm that just went through Blue Raspberry. Because look at that hook right now. And rotation right over it right now. So guys, next scan is going to be very important because we're going to actually see if this thing was was officially on the ground when it went through Blue Rapids because we're really going to know. Oh, waiting on the new CC and velocity. 'Cause this thing went right through Blue Rapids. Now this thing is heading for Winford and Frankfurt, so that is not good, guys. Just waiting on the new radar scans. Alright, rotation might have weakened little. Alright, no CC drop, so that is good news. So, but Blue Rapids might have just got hit by a tornado right now. Radar scans are taking a while to update. I don't know why today. Taking a while to update the radar scans today. Alright, guys, I'm back. As you can see, yeah, Blue Rapids, I am concerned. Because, guys, I used to stream like only 20 minutes now. I've been streaming like almost an hour, hour and a half on average. And now I feel like it's so much easier to stream like the half an hour now. Now streaming a half an hour honestly feels like nothing now. Guys, we might be live tomorrow. Tomorrow's only a 2 out of 5. Really depends if we're gonna be streaming tomorrow. If it gets upgraded to a 3 out of 5, then I'm likely gonna stream. Guys, just saying, it's hit or miss if I stream 2 out of 5s. Like for me to stream a 2 out of 5, it usually has to be at least a 5% chance of tornadoes. At least if I stream a 2 out of 5, it usually has to be at least 5% chance of tornadoes. Or it could also be, or it could be like if it's my area, I'm gonna stream a 2 out of 5. Like I would stream a 2 out of 5 no matter what if it's in like my actual area. Like a 3 out of 5, I'm usually guaranteed to stream, but a 2 out of 5, it's like 50-50 shot. Actually, guys, I'm noticing these storms are starting to congeal into a little bit of a line. So that is very interesting. I think I'm going to end this stream, guys. I might be live tomorrow, or if something crazy happens, I might be live again later tonight. Thank you guys so much for watching. Peace out. I ended.